English Standard 5. Count your garden. Today I shall be explaining you a beautiful poem named Count Your Garden. First I will be reading the poem and then afterwards I will explain you all stanza wise. Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours, don't remember clouds at all. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. Now I'll be explaining all the poem. Count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. The poet tries to tell us that you should be always happy and thankful for whatever things you have, and you should never sit and cry for the past or the mistakes you have done and for the things which you have lost in your life. Whatever things we have with us, we should value them and learn from our mistakes. We should know the worth of all the things that we have. We should value the things with whatever things are there with us. The second stanza. Count your days by golden hours, don't remember clouds at all. Here the poet is trying to tell us that we must count all the happy days and the precious things in your life instead of remembering all the sad moments or all the sad things, and try to recollect all the cheerful and happy moments in our life. We should count our days by golden hours. We should always remember our happy moments. Don't remember clouds at all. Here the poet is telling us that we should not sit by thinking the sad or bad moments of the past. We should always remember the golden hours, means the best hours of our life. We should never think about the unhappy moments at all. The third stanza. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. Now here in the third stanza, the poet is trying to tell us that what all good things which have happened to you, just think about it and think about your future. Think about your present, which is so beautiful like stars. At night we must admire the sky, the stars which are shining in the sky, and don't look down on the shadows which are falling. We should count the life with the lovely moments which bring smile on our face. Do not remember the days which bring tears in your eyes. The last stanza. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. Finally, the poet is trying to tell us that on our birthday, we should count our age by the passing year, not by the passing years, but count the age with the number of friends we have. We should not count our age by the passing years, but we should count the age by the number of friends we are having. We should learn to count our blessings which God is showering on us every moment, and be grateful for all the good things given by God. We should always be happy for everything what we are having. So children, I hope you all have understood the poem. Here are certain question answers. The antonyms, words that opposites meanings, words that are having opposite meanings, you have to write down in your notebook. Certain question answers are there behind. You also have to note down in your notebook. Thank you. This is an activity question which you have to write down on your own, and the teacher will check the book once the school reopens.